rise with the plague in their breath. Their claws shall rend the golden cities. Their purring shall lull the angels to sleep. And at 29:29, the gates shall